It is officially Vlogtober. Okay, technically it kind of been Vlogtober since October 1st, but who cares? I mean, it's still October, right? And we gonna get this content out. So what better way to kick off Vlogtober than by doing some fall inspired nails? This was fun. This was a journey. Okay, let me stop lying, y'all. It wasn't that fun because I got so frustrated, and that's why this video is so short, because I had to stop recording because I legit got an attitude. Anywho, so BTArtbox, this is what I am using. I got these from Amazon. It is 320 extensions total. This really isn't that much of a tutorial. I'm just showing you all how I do my Gel X nails. I have been doing my own Gel X nails, I want to say since May, like May, June. I started doing my own. I used to get my nails done all the time, and then I would stop. Not get them done, then I would stop. But I was like, you know what? I want to invest so that way I can do my own nails whenever I feel like it. Y'all be up doing my nails at like 5 in the morning on a Sunday, and I'll be pressing my luck because we'll be late to church. Anyways, so Gel X. The things you need for Gel X, of course, you will need a light. Well, you'll need like your actual UV lamp, and then you'll need a flash cure light. Now, mine is not motion detected. I have to actually tap mine. And I got this one from Salon Centric. It came in a whole like gel kit. It had the light, it had some nail extensions, like it had everything up in there. When you are flash curing your nails, and I kind of learned this the hard way a couple times, if you have extra glue that seeps out, please, please, please take it off now, because when you go to put your hand in your actual UV lamp, like it's going to really adhere or stick or mold or whatever you want to call it, and it is a lot harder to get that excess gel off of your skin. Yeah, I mean, you can still get it off, but it is a lot harder. So when you are flash curing, please get the extra gel off. Now, what I like about these nails, they are matted. So they do have like some half matted nails. Mine are fully matted. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if that meant matted on the bottom part of the extension or like the top and the bottom part of the extension. So with the bottom part of the extension, it saves you time because you don't have to go in with your e-file and like edge out the part where you will put on your nail bed, which I don't really know how to explain that. Like, I really don't. Again, I'm still new to the whole Gel X thing and the terminology and all that jazz. Like, I don't know, y'all. Go to TikTok because TikTok got all the information, or YouTube. Okay, I have to say this one more time. This is not a tutorial. Yeah, I'm just prepping myself for fall. Okay, I'm prepping myself for fall. So it is not a super long video. I don't have that much in-depth information to give you guys. And my angles and all other stuff is going to be off because I am not a professional. Okay, I am not a professional video nail taker, whatever you want to call it. I am a professional because I do have my cosmetology license, so I am licensed to do nails. I 1,500 hours and a lot of thousands of dollars later. But Gel X is something that is new. We did not do this in school. Now, if you have extensions like how mine were, you want to make sure to file down that little access pointy part from like you tear them off of the what you want to call it, like the little nail stick, whatever you want to call it. But that's all I'm doing. Nothing more, nothing less. I keep the shape the same. Now, the shade that I am using today, I am using Cafe Latte. This is my go-to shade. I typically use 2 to 3 coats, just depending on the look that I'm going for. This in particular set, I only use 2 coats, and I did finish them with a matte finish. I love, love, love matte nails, but you can see right here they are also super pretty with a gloss finish. So the video was about to end because I legit got an attitude when I was recording this video. Number one, I told you I'm not a professional, so I don't really know angles and all that other stuff. And then with my camera, I don't have a wide angle lens. Okay, so this is where it gets funny. I caught myself trying to do ombre, and you can see it looks like I just painted the whole nail. And I was like, you know what, this is stupid. So I'm going to cut it off. But I ended up doing a French tip on one. You can see right here, 2 accented nails. So the French tip on my ring, and then I did the solid on my thumb. And on my right hand, I did the solid on my ring and the French tip on my thumb. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited about Vlogtober, more so just the fall. I love the fall. So make sure you guys are subscribed and have that notification bell turned on, because I will be dropping some more videos this Vlogtober, this fall, or just period. I mean, yeah, I'm sure y'all don't want to miss me. I mean, I know y'all like watching my videos. Okay, that's all. It's about to go off. Okay, bye.